Men walk around wearing armor every single day. They're expected to be tough, unbreakable, bulletproof. But behind that armor, there's a heart that yearns to be understood. When a man finds a woman who creates a space where he can lay down that armor, where he can speak his fears without being seen as weak, where his vulnerability is met with understanding instead of judgment, that's more addictive than any physical pleasure could ever be. Think about it. When was the last time you saw a man truly break down his walls? It's rare, because most men have learned the hard way that vulnerability equals pain. But the woman who proves this wrong, she becomes his sanctuary. You can love a man with all your heart, but if you disrespect him, especially in public, something breaks inside him that's hard to repair. Men don't just want your love. They need your respect, like they need air to breathe. When a woman truly respects a man, she sees his potential even when he doubts himself. She acknowledges his efforts, not just his achievements. She speaks about him with pride when he's not around. This kind of respect awakens something primitive in a man's soul. It makes him want to move mountains to be worthy of that admiration. They are also looking for unwavering support. I'm talking about the kind of support that doesn't flinch when things get ugly. Any woman can stand by a man when he's winning, but a woman who stands firm when he's on his knees, when his business is failing, when he's lost his way, that woman becomes irreplaceable. Men remember the woman who believed in them when no one else did. They remember the one who didn't just say, "You can do it," but asked, "How can I help?" That kind of support creates a bond that's unbreakable. Fourth on this list, but just as crucial, true companionship. Sex is temporary, but a best friend, that's forever. Men crave a woman who can shift from being their lover to their partner in crime. Someone who'll binge-watch their favorite shows, laugh at their terrible jokes and create adventures together. The magic happens in those small moments, playing video games together, debating about pizza toppings, or just sitting in comfortable silence. These moments might seem insignificant, but they're building something powerful, a friendship that makes him think, "I don't just want to sleep next to this woman, I want to do life with her." Finally, men need a sense of purpose. A man can have all the success in the world, but without purpose he feels empty. When a woman comes into his life and makes him feel needed, not because she's needy, but because she sees his value, it awakens his primal instinct to provide, protect, and pursue. She inspires him to be better, not through nagging or pressure, but through her belief in him. She becomes the reason he wants to level up in life. Not because she demands it, but because she makes him want to be the man she already sees him as. These 5 needs run deeper than any physical craving. When a woman understands and fulfills these needs, she doesn't just have a man's attention, she has his soul. He won't just want to sleep with her, he'll want to build a life with her. Remember, men might be drawn in by beauty, but they stay for the woman who makes them feel like the king they're capable of becoming. Be that woman, and you'll have something more powerful than just his desire. You'll have his heart, his loyalty, and his unwavering devotion.